What's up, everybody? It's Kickflip Boy, and let's be real, who couldn't use an extra $1,000 a month? Today, we're diving into the world of Fiverr, a platform exploding in popularity, and I'm going to show you how to crush it and make some serious cash on the side. We're talking about ditching that soul-crushing 9 to 5 and becoming your own boss, all from your computer, on your own schedule. No more commuting, no more office politics, just pure, unadulterated money-making potential. Whether you're a graphic design whiz, a writing guru, or you possess some other unique talent, Fiverr has a place for you. First impressions are everything, and on Fiverr, your profile is your first impression. Think of it like your storefront. It needs to grab attention and scream, "I'm the best." We're talking a professional headshot, a killer bio that highlights your skills, and a portfolio that makes clients drool. Don't be afraid to show off your personality too. Fiverr is all about connecting with clients on a personal level. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're selling yourself. Spend time crafting each section, highlighting your experience and showcasing your best work. Trust me, a killer profile is your golden ticket to Fiverr success. Now, let's talk about choosing the right gigs. You want something that's in demand, something you're good at, and something that pays well. Browse through different categories, see what others are offering, and find your niche. Don't be afraid to get granular. The more specific your service is, the less competition you'll face. And remember, you can always offer package deals and upsells to boost your earnings. It's all about maximizing your profits. Chapter 3, Pricing Power, How to Charge What You're Worth. One of the biggest mistakes new Fiverr sellers make is undervaluing their services. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Research your competition, see what they're charging, and position yourself accordingly. Remember, you're providing a valuable service, and your time and skills are worth money. Start with competitive pricing, and as you gain experience and positive reviews, don't hesitate to raise those rates. Your bank account will thank you. Chapter 4. Customer service is king, building your Fiverr empire. Fiverr is all about building relationships and providing exceptional customer service. Respond to messages promptly, be communicative, and always over-deliver on your promises. Happy clients leave positive reviews, and positive reviews equal more business. It's that simple. Go the extra mile, treat your clients like gold, and watch your Fiverr business flourish. Chapter 5. Never stop learning, leveling up your Fiverr game. The online world is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead of the game, you need to constantly be learning and improving your skills. Take advantage of free online courses, watch tutorials, and stay up to date on the latest trends in your industry. The more you know, the more valuable you become, and the more you can charge for your services. Remember, success on Fiverr isn't about luck. It's about hard work, dedication, and a commitment to constant improvement. Your Fiverr journey starts now. So there you have it. My roadmap to Fiverr success. Now it's time to take action. Get out there, create your profile, and start offering your services. Remember, the beauty of Fiverr is that you can work from anywhere, at any time, and be your own boss. What are you waiting for? And for even more tips and tricks on building a successful freelance career, check out the link in the description to an awesome article on Forbes. Trust me, it's packed with valuable information that will help you crush it on Fiverr.